For those of you who are curious about hair systems or those who already use them but are looking for the next era, you may be wondering what haircuts you can pull off with a hair system. We've compiled a list of 2023 trends as well as evergreen looks that you can achieve. Let's start off with the classic short in the back and on the sides, long on the top with a pushback quiff. Part your hair to the side, add a bit of pomade, do a bit of blow drying, and boom, you are ready to go. If you're choosing to expose the hairline, a lace front or ultra thin skin are your best bets. This is a choice that looks great regardless of hair density, as our clients have proven time and time again. Hairsystem users could also try the disconnected undercut. This haircut has been blowing up lately, and why wouldn't it? It's a dapper, elegant, and you even have multiple options within this singular style. You can have your hair fall to the side like in a comb over with an undercut. You can slick it back like soccer player Sergio Ramos chose to do. And you can get your hair tapered, use more or less product, and so on. A look that's made a huge resurgence over the last few years is a mullet. Oscar nominee Paul Mescal, for example, has made the mini mullet an iconic look for him. You could buy one of our women's toppers for a mullet longer than 6 inches and then let your barber or stylist have at it. For something more like Paul's cut, ask for length at the back, about a 3-inch long texturized top, and clipper cut for the sides. There's also what they're calling the Mullet Light, a soft, textured mid-length crop which works best with hair with a slight wave. Will Sharp of White Lotus fame has debuted this low commitment, high payoff look recently, and it's already making, well, waves. If your hair system has a slightly less natural looking hairline, or you merely want to hop on this hot new style, try this textured cut with pieces in the front. Popularized by the e-boys of TikTok, it's typically styled in a messy fashion and gives its wearer an effortless edge. Because it's a look in its own right, it won't look like you're disguising something. If you've got an undetectable hairline, on the other hand, the world is your oyster. The 90s boy band Curtain Bang is once again a popular choice for the heartthrobs of 2020s, with slight variations depending on how short or long you want them. So which haircuts can you achieve with hair systems? Well, it's kind of a trick question, as any haircut you could get with bio hair, you can also get with our human hair systems. When deciding what haircut will work for you, however, consider your face shape. Something shorter and traditionally neat may appeal to someone with a square face shape. An angular haircut could create nice dimensions for a round face shape, and so on. Also, consider what will make you feel confident. If something inside you is stirring to get you out of your comfort zone this time, do it. But if you found the haircut that suits you mostly already and don't want to overthink it at the salon, don't force yourself. If you'd be interested in a video all about face shape, how to determine what yours is, what cuts are flattering for what face shape, etc., leave us a comment and like and subscribe while you're at it, and hit that notification bell so you actually see when we next post. Thanks for watching.